Mothers have long prescribed chicken soup for a cold. While eating it can't cure you, there's some science to show that chicken soup is helpful when you're ill. The hot liquid eases congestion and keeps you hydrated, and also contains nutrients with anti-inflammatory properties. In one study, chicken soup kept a type of white blood cell called neutrophils from migrating, which may help reduce cold symptoms. Other nutrients like vitamins C, D, and E can also influence immune cells and chemicals.